Hello guys, I'm Amar Parvez. I'm a senior software engineer. I did my bachelor's in 2014 and completed my master's in 2019. I have almost 8 to 10 years of professional experience, and nowadays I've been working on the different technologies like React, Web APIs, SQL servers, C Sharp, and much more. So I have decided to share my professional experience with online students, and I hope you all guys will enjoy it. So I'm going to start a new course, that is React.js. So I hope you all are going to enjoy it, right? So the reason for choosing React is there are many companies nowadays, top tech companies like Facebook, Netflix, PayPal, and many more are using that React. Do practice as much as you can and don't get bored, because in the end you'll get beautiful results. So don't waste time and enjoy this course and have fun. Thank you.